Hi kids. Good morning. Good morning Prajan.
Good morning, Mummy.
Prajan, yesterday what story did we see?
About Sai Baba.
Yes, very good. Today, do you know what story I'm going to tell you and to all your friends?
Not Mummy.
Today, we will see a story of about Sai Baba miracles. Ready to hear the story?
Yes, shall we start?
Yes, we can start.
Who is Sadguru?
A Sadguru is an unselfish person who always think of people and devotees. They never think of themselves, like a mother to her children who share love and affection equally.
Like you, Mummy.
Yes, like all mothers.
Who? Okay.
Sai Baba fulfills the wishes of his devotees, and Shirdi people witnessed his miracles. Das Guna and Haridas are the deep devotee who want to take a bath in holy Prayag. Sai Baba brings the holy Ganga water of Prayag from his feet and made Das Guna speechless and washed the Baba feet.
Sai Ram. Mummy, what is this?
One day there was a severe water problem in Shirdi. Sai Baba purified the old dirty well water by putting herbal flowers in the water and made it as potable water to drink, and he solved the water problem. All are happy and become devotees of Sai Baba.
Sai Ram. Jai Sai Ram.
One day there was a heavy thunderstorm and heavy rains. All are scared.
Then what happened?
Sai Baba commands the nature to be soft. Immediately the thunders and rain stopped and saved the people. All are happy. Om Sai Ram.
Mummy, snake in the frog.
Yes. One day, when Baba was sitting near a lake, Sai Baba saw a snake running fast and caught a frog. Sai Baba shouted at snake, "Leave the frog, do not kill." On hearing the Sai Baba voice, the snake left the frog, which jumped into the bushes. The passers by surprised on the incident. Om Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram. Hi, kids playing with Baba.
Yes, Sai Baba loves children and he plays with them and teach them good habits and stories. He lights the masjid with lamps in the evening.
Who? Tiger.
Yes, Tiger. What happened to Tiger, Prajan?
I know, Mummy.
I will tell you. One day, one street charmer bought his suffering tiger named Mega to Sai Baba. The tiger Mega looked at Sai Baba with devotion and breathed last. An animal recognizes Sai Baba as God and it attained heaven.
Om Sai Ram. Jai Sai Ram. Mummy, what happened to everyone?
All are sick. Sai Baba, as a Hakim, doctor, healed patients with his unique way of medicine and dhuni ashes. He keeps always firewoods lightened and give the ashes as prasad to take and smears on forehead.
What Baba is doing?
I will tell you. In Shirdi, a nearby village got attacked with plague. What is plague, Prajan?
I don't know, Mummy.
Plague is a kind of fever. It's a rat fever. All are scared. So Sai Baba grinded wheat flour and asked the villagers to throw around village borders. That protected the villagers from plague disease.
Oh, Om Sai Ram. Who is she?
Sai Baba has many devotees. Shama, Radha Krishna Mai, Lakshmi Bai. They go to Sai Baba and provide food to Sai Baba every day.
So sweet. Baba hands in hot vessel.
On festival days, Sai Baba prepares prasadam with his hand in big vessels. He mixes the hot food with his bare hand and distributes it to all. Om Sai Ram.
Jai Sai Ram. What happened to baby?
I will tell you. One day, one lady devotee slipped her baby from her lap while cooking under the fire and cried,
Sai.
Sai. Baba immediately kept his hand in the duni. The child escaped fire and got saved. Sai Baba devotee, on seeing Baba's hand in fire, pulled the hand. Baba said, one mother slipped her baby in the fire by accident. She called me so I could save the child from here. Om Sai Ram.
Mummy, Baba is dancing.
Yes, Sai Baba celebrate all festivals. As a Hindu, Ramanavami, Janmashtami and many. And as a Muslim, Ramzan, Bakrid, everything with religious harmony among people.
Where is Dwarka Mai?
The masjid where Sai Baba stays, known as Dwaraka Mai, having 4 entrances. He goes around in the evenings in procession to Chavadi to see his devotees.
Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Chiradivasa Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Dwarakamai Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram.
What everyone is doing?
After reaching Chavadi, Sai Baba gives solution to the devotees' problem and preach disciplined life and always says, Allah Malik, He will take care. Think of Him. I am always with you. Om Sai Ram.
Jai Sai Ram. Mummy, Baba is sleeping.
Yes, Sai Baba sleeps on a wooden plank, hanging on a thin rope with lamps on 4 corners. When a devotee offered a new wooden plank to sleep, he refused and breaks the old wooden log when he know it is his last days of death.
No, Mummy. What happened to Baba?
On Vijayadasami day, Sai Baba breathed last after suffering with illness for 2 days. He gave 9 coins to Radha Krishna Mai and asked to keep in puja and worship it. The 9 coins are 9 forms of devotions to reach God. He said, I am always with you. Hear your prayers, and who prays with Shraddha and Shaburi, my soul will hear your prayers and guides you wherever you are. I am with you. Prajan, what is Shraddha?
Devotion.
Very good. What is Saburi?
Patience.
Very good. So, kids, always pray Baba with Shraddha and Saburi. He will be always with you and with everyone. Don't fear when Baba is there with you. Okay, Prajan?
Okay, Mummy. Hi, Shirdi Sai Baba Temple.
Yes. The mortal body of Sai Baba is kept on a newly constructed Krishna Mandir, now known as Shirdi Sai Baba Samadhi Mandir, worship place by millions of devotees. From Samadhi Mandir, Sai Baba fulfills and solves the problems of devotees who pray with Shraddha and Shaburi even in dreams, and he protects. As a Sadguru, Thursdays are very special day for Sai Baba to worship with devotion. Let us all pray Jai Sai Ram.
Guru Sai Ram.
Jai Sai Ram.
Guru Sai Ram.
Kids, always remember Sai Baba. He will be with you forever in all your path, happiness as well as sad. Okay, kids? Okay, Prajan?
Okay, Mummy.
Say bye, dear kids. Om Sai Ram.
Jai Sai Ram. Okay, bye. Okay, bye bye. See you, Sai Rasasana.